Hi everyone, hi Nick. Have a couple completed journals to share today. Hopefully I can get through this without coughing. John and I have had a rotten cold the last couple of weeks, but mine's pretty much gone. He's better, so I'm going to try to do this without coughing. These are two TN style, TN size journals, and one comes with another little mini little guy, and the other one comes with a little folio. So let's see, I guess I'll do it this way. I'll do this one first. These are both, I've written it down, 8 1/4 by 4 1/2 with 64 pages front and back. And this guy is 4 1/2 by 2 3/4 and has 6 pages front and back. The printables, which is not on the cover, but it is on the cover. The printables I used are from Wildflower Publishing, and I also used this 8x8 pad called Forest, and I used pretty much all of it. It's in Spanish, which I didn't realize when I bought it. Got it on Etsy, but I thought it went really well with the printable. So let's do this one. Yeah, let's do this one first. Cardstock cover. This is one of the pages from the printable that I cut in half. Dark turquoise seam binding that I didn't cut in half or anything. I just wrapped it around. It all comes off. Lace crocheted trim on the top, tabs on the sides with some little naturey kind of charms, bells on the strings for the signature. I'm going to take this guy off. A piece of lace from an old wedding dress. This is a cardstock book plate, Tim Holtz Brads. This is from the cut-aparts from that paper collection. So I put 2 here, and then I put them up on pop dots. And then there's just a Tim Holtz sentiment thing. So I'll try to go... No, there goes my throat. I'm going to try to go through this pretty quickly. Everything is like a mix of... That's part of the paper collection. These are from the printables. So it's the journaling cards, journaling tags. This is a little envelope, which is empty. Some stickers that I found in my stash, some washi also in frame. And I did a whole bunch of little clusters with crocheted trim and bits and pieces from the paper collection. And from the printables, we've got some dictionary page, and a little pocket, get it in there, coffee dyed or tea dyed paper. I also did some stenciling, inked everything with, what the heck is it called? Oh, I'm trying to reach it. Peeled paint, that one. Like a green. And I did the stenciling in that also. A fold out. This is a belly band and some Tim Holtz bits and a button and so forth. Sticker, washi. This is one of the journaling cards, but I didn't cut it in half. So I just sewed it in as a page. And that's from the paper collection. And that's from the printables. Some sheet music. And this is an envelope that came with the kit, which I left empty. Another cluster and some tags and journal cards. Not staying in frame at all here. This is one of those pedal pocket thingies, and there's 3 little journal cards in there. I didn't glue him together or anything, I just folded it over and hitched it down with a paper clip. There's a bigger pocket with a little Mr. Fox. This is from a page from a bird book. And some lined paper that I'd ripped out of one of those composition books that Nick had left over from his college days. He finally went through all of his college stuff. It's a little tuck spot with a little Tim Holtz paper clip and a little piece of ephemera. Another sticker, a little corner pocket with a tag from the kit, this a little bit from the kit, and that's from the paper collection. This is just glued down, and it's got a Tim Holtz sentiment on it. Another sticker. Another little pocket with these 2 little bits. Another fold out and a little cluster. You can tuck if you want. Dictionary. Beautiful. And that's the back, and that is that one. Okay, that's the big journal. And then this little guy that goes with it, I just tied it with some hemp, just went round and round. And it's sewn together with some hemp, and then there's a couple of Tim Holtz sentiment tags on the strings. One says Field Notes and one says number 365. And on the front page is a little tag, or 2 little tags. Watch, can't get these back in now. And then a bigger one. Get in frame. And then we have 2 little pockets, a little birdie, and then a little round, and then this little one. Layered pocket on this side. And this tag, and then these 2, those look like little labels. And we have 2 more little pockets. Oops. It looks like that. Never gonna get this out of here now. Oh, what do you know? Little journal cards. And that's an envelope, which comes off. And you have to take it off. And on the back side is a little waterfall. And then I've just held it down with that paper clip. And this is the side pocket. Two more pockets. A tag. And a little round birdie again. And 2 diagonal pockets with this tag, and then this one. One more. And this opens, and it's Velcroed, so it will stay closed. And then in there are these guys, 3 little guys, if I could get a hold of them. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Well, you'll have to take my word for it. I'll get it out later. There's 2 of these and that one. And then they Velcro's back shut. And then in the back pocket, it's 2 little tags. And I'll have to go on a rescue mission to get this other guy out. Okay, so there's that one. And then the other one is essentially the same. It's just different pages from that same printable and from the paper collection. So we've got the crocheted trim, the tabs. This one has bells on the strings. And we've got a burgundy seam binding closure, which isn't attached. It can just come off, and again, I didn't cut it in half or anything. This one's got cheesecloth, which is coffee stained. The same book plate, which I left blank. Tim Holtz Sentiments says See the World, and these are from the paper collection, which I also put up on Pop Dots. And that's the back. Now this is basically the same deal, just pages are different. But layout and everything is the same. Sheet music again. Excuse me. And there's washi and some extra pages, different things, birds and so forth. Washi tape, lined paper, tags and journal cards. And little clusters. Top tuck, a little squirrel. It's a belly band, fold out. That's the middle. Tiny, tiny little guys. There's a label and a little, I guess another label. Dictionary. Another fold out. A little pocket. Journal card, tag, sticker. A little cluster that makes a tuck spot. Tim Holtz Sentiment there. Some more sheet music with a cluster that's a top tuck. And that is the end of that one. And then it comes with a little folio. I just Velcroed this way, and it can open up like that. And then on this front piece, there's some little tags. And then it's Velcroed here, and it opens out twice. And then on this side is a belly band with an envelope, which I Velcroed closed. And then this folds down, and there's 2, 3, 4 pockets. And they all have little bits of ephemera in them. And then there's a side pocket over here with a little card. So that is that. So these will be listed in the shop. Pumpkin's Junk to Journals. Pop on over there if you're interested. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye.